Why do 60% of renters feel stuck paying someone else's mortgage? What if you could break that cycle? Here's how David Corteza makes homeownership possible, even if your credit isn't perfect. Listen, renting feels safe, but you're just building someone else's future, not yours. Don't let credit worries hold you back. David Corteza is the real estate expert who helps renters become homeowners, even if your credit needs a boost. With David's help, you could improve your score by up to 80 points in less than a month. That's real progress, real fast. Imagine your own space, building equity, and saying goodbye to rent hikes forever. David delivers white glove service with total integrity, so you'll never feel lost or judged. Ready to start? Call David at 786-357-0058 or visit davidcortesarealestate.com. Your future starts now.